You are going to love the 2025 Corsair. The Lincoln Corsair looks the part with an elegantly designed exterior. High-end interior features and technology are coupled with the functionality that you expect from a compact SUV. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rear spoiler, aluminum wheels, heated side mirrors, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, remote trunk release, front-wheel drive, headlights auto-off, mirror memory, traction control. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.